Here's a C5 to take a look at. Just in it, unique, especially in classics, 2003 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at just a little over 41,000. Of course, the 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Tried and true powertrain. Automatic with overdrive transmission paired up with that. Power steering, power brakes, AC, of course. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. As you can see, paint shows well. A couple little touch-up spots right there. So yeah, you're gonna have a few, or you get a little tiny rock chip here or there. Previous owner has touched it up with some matching touch-up paint. Nice luster to it, good shine. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside of this car. Engine bay, interior, trunk compartment. Still pictures, unique, classiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished wheels. Take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see it's pretty much free of any nicks, dings, scratches, anything major there. Black interior contrasting the red exterior. Does have dual power seats, dual electronic climate control, and of course all your other amenities, your power windows, locks, tilt to cruise. As you can see, center console where that shifter is. Black cloth top. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I will also throw the cover back in the trunk, so it is going to come with a car cover. And once again, still pictures. We'd like to check out the trunk compartment, the underside. You can see the top in the still pictures, and we'll flip that top up here at the end of the video and check that out too. UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on that link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We'll fire it up here and let you hear it run also. Up and down the driver's side. Again, pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Shows well. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed mileage. Here we go, Bose stereo system, AM, FM, CD player. Of course, there's your power mirrors, power windows, lock switches. Take a look at the seats. See, free of rips, tears, and bolster. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. No crazy wear items on those seats. Passenger side one, of course, about like new. All right. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out the exact miles. There it is, 41,514. So again, just a tad over 40,000. And take a look here, electronic climate control. Both sides, driver and passenger, AM, FM, cassette with CD. Active handling. And then of course the dash also in good shape. No cracked dash, discoloration, anything like that. And I tell you what, let's slip to the back so you can hear the exhaust on this one, and then we'll pop that hood, check out the engine. Looks like pretty much the stock exhaust. As you can hear that. I tell you what, I'm going to pause this to slip up underneath the hood, check that out, and we'll wrap up this video. And here we have the hood popped. Again, that 5.7 liter, 300 horse, I believe in 03. Again, powered up with automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, and you can see how clean that engine bay is. Nice and tidy, well taken care of. Again, what you'd expect from a car with this kind of miles on it. A lot of good miles and a lot of fun left in this one. And then one last thing, since we're checking it out real quick before we put the top up, and look at that. How about we do this? Let you guys see. Yes, indeed, the headlights come up, work just fine. So there you go. All right, one last time, I'm going to pause it, shut it down, close the hood. Let's check out that convertible top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Black cloth top. Of course, manual on the C5 here. But one person can put it up with ease, less than a minute, not a problem. Rear glass, rear defogger, as far as the window goes. No rips, tears, holes, discoloration. Going to keep you dry or keep the sun off your back, whichever the need may be. Fits nice above the windshield. Looks good like the rest of the car. 2003 Chevrolet Corvette, good looking C5 convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. We can call every